In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more images in Dorik. We'll start by signing in, then open your site, add an image element, upload your file, and fine-tune it using the right side panel. By the end, you'll be comfortable placing images exactly where you want them and making them look great across devices. First, head to the Dorik login page in your browser. Make sure you're on the official site and logged into the correct workspace or account you use for your projects. On the login screen, click Sign In with Google. If you're already signed into Google in your browser, this should be quick. Choose the Google account you use for Dorik and complete the sign-in. If your browser shows multiple accounts, pick the one tied to your Dorik site so you land on the right dashboard. Once you're in your Dorik dashboard, look for the project where you want to add more images and click Edit Site. If you manage several sites, use the search or filter to find it faster. This opens the visual editor where you'll do the design work. Inside the editor, open the Elements panel by clicking Add Elements. You'll see a list of blocks and components. Locate the image element, click it, and drag it into your workspace. As you hover over different sections, watch for the placement guides. Release the mouse where you want the image to appear. You can always move it later, but dropping it in the right spot now saves time. With the new image placeholder selected, click Upload Image. This opens the Media Manager. Click Upload Image again to add a new file from your computer rather than selecting an existing one from your library. Then click Upload File and choose the image you want. Common formats like JPG, PNG, and WebP work well. For best results, use appropriately sized images to keep your site fast. Compressed files with descriptive names are a good practice. Wait for the upload to finish, then select the file to insert it into the page. Now that the image is in place, use the right side panel to fine-tune it. Adjust width, height, or set it to auto so it scales responsively. Align it left, center, or right, and tweak padding or margin for spacing. Add alt text for accessibility and SEO, link the image to another page if needed, and consider rounding corners or adding a subtle shadow for style. Switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views to ensure it looks good everywhere. That's all there is to it. You've added an image to your Dorik page and customized it using the built-in tools. Review your changes, and when you're satisfied, continue working as usual to keep building your site.